Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand longest job first, LJF scheduling algorithm. The concept of shortest job first has already been explained in our previous videos. If you haven't watched that videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Let's try to understand longest job first. In longest job first scheduling algorithm, the process with the longest execution time is selected for the next execution. It is a non-preemptive algorithm. So this concept is same as that of the shortest job first. The only difference is in the longest job first algorithm, the next process to be selected, the process to be switched from ready to running state, we are going to select it based upon the longest execution time, means the longest burst time. So based upon this burst time, whenever we want to select a process, we are going to select the process based upon the longest burst times. So the processes with the longest burst times will be selected. So this is how this algorithm works. We'll try to understand this algorithm by using this diagram. So we'll try to using this example, we'll try to understand it. So let's try to plot the Gantt chart for this algorithm. For this example. So here we are having 0th time we are going to start, and here at this point of time we are having only one process. At the arrival time 0, we are having only one process, which is P1. So this process P1 will get selected. So as we are having only one process, only that process P1 will get selected, and it is going to last until 2 units of time. It will be there until 2 units of time, and this is a non-preemptive algorithm. Okay, means until the completion of the entire process, it will remain in the running state. Okay, so the next process by the arrival time is equal to 2. So by this 2 units of time, so these two processes, so this is done with its execution. So these two processes are there in the ready state, process 1 and process 2. So among these two, which one has to be selected? Among these two, so the longest job first will get selected. The longest job first is process P2. Process P2 will get selected, and it will get executed until 7 units of time. And by the 7 as it is 7 units of time, by this time all the processes will be there in the ready state. Now among this one is done, so we are left with these 3 processes. So among these 3, which one has to be selected? The longest job is this one, so this one will get selected. So it is a process P4. So process P4 will get selected, and it is going to be there until 11 units of time. And next process P5 will get selected. Process P5 will get selected, and it is going to be 11 plus 3, 14. Okay, and the next one is this one. So process P3, and it is going to be until 15 units of time. Okay, so this is how all the processes will get executed. Let's try to solve the remaining times also. So as we are doing for all the remaining all the problems so far. So this is completion time. So what is the completion time for process P1? Process P1, the completion time is 2 units of time. So this one 2, and for process P2 it is 7. Okay, and for process P3 it is 15, and for process P4 it is 11, and for process P5 it is 14. Okay, so now what about the turnaround time? So this is I'm going to okay, so turnaround time and waiting time. So what about the turnaround time? Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. 2 minus 0, which is 2. 7 minus 1, which is 6. 15 minus 2, 13 is the turnaround time. 11 minus 3, it is 8. 14 minus 5, it is 9. Turnaround time for process P5 is 9. And what about waiting time? The waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. Turnaround time minus burst time. So 2 minus 2, this is 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 13 minus 1, this is 12. And 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 3, this is 6. So these are all the waiting times. So we can easily find the average turnaround time and average waiting time by using these values. Okay, so this is all about longest job first. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.